Presenting Colorx. Color stories at your fingertips.
This is a color-replaced photo image.
Press the auto button at the top to create color stories.
The colors are picked up randomly from the choice of your own color palette.
And so on.
Let's load a few more images and create their color stories. And so on.
And so on.
And so on. There is one more option where you can lock one or multiple colors and allow the software to create auto color combos on the remaining colors. Let's lock the shoe color and play auto color on the shoelace color.
Locked color.
And so on. Let's now lock the shoelace color and play auto color on the shoe color.
Locked color.
And so on.
With Colorx, you are never short of color stories.
Thank you for watching.